Welcome back to the Adventure Inn. Over there, we're back on the River Kennet. It is Kennet, isn't it? Boat today. It is the Kennet and Avon Canal. It is the Kennet and Avon Canal.
Well, as far as I know.
The lady that lives on the canal doesn't know. Here we go. Well, first lock coming up. The lads are just around this corner.
Fucking everything.
Hello, Bradley.
Hello.
What's up, new guy today?
I'm the newbie.
He's the new cameraman. He's sacked Elliot. He's over there. He's now going to work for Tesco's. Myself rowing today. Me and Steph in the video today, innit, Steph?
Yeah.
Should name it Nathan and Steph's Adventures. We walked a lot. Elliot didn't want to do it. It's wasting time a bit, and he is right. Steph, I hit my pedal there. Is it going to be in your way? You ready, lads? We have a trusty magnet fishing today. Elliot seems to be the lucky one. Jammy. But we just saw something, but it wasn't. It was a rusty leaf. Wasn't it, Steph? A rusty leaf.
Rusty spoon.
Hello, Macy. Hello, Freddie. Hello, Remy.
We're today on the river, aren't we?
We are. Now
Shall we show him?
Oh, nice nature day.
So we can zoom in for him. Can you see that boat?
This is man me.
We'll show you the boat in a second closer.
You can find her by. Give it to her relatives.
Video, innit, really? Just a fuck about video.
What else should
That's got Chris. In on the river. here, man.
Ants in your pack.
I don't know how many locks we've done. Oh, how many locks have we done? I don't even know. The number again. In the corner of locks. All we lose count very fast. It's quite a pretty lock though. A bridge for bigger boats. How do you do it? Huh? I want to do it.
Not that we need to, but...
But I still want to do it. I don't know. Please leave the lock empty. Would it do it when the water fills up? Does it open automatically? When the water
It's swung round.
there's the same lock key.
Swing bridge open.
Unlock, swing, and release chain. Swing. We have found a lock bridge, so we are going to do it because we can't go without. That's it.
The swing bridge.
What's that? Swing bridge.
What's that? You want to go for me?
Unlock, spindle, and release chain.
Yeah.
Swing bridge open. Swing bridge closed. Secure the spindle.
Other way.
Why do you just go that way?
Look at that one. Fucking way. There we go. We're not even moving. That was cool. It might have been because I was on this end. To be fair, it might have been because I was stood on that end. Is it stop or does it keep going? I like the sound of that. Yeah. It's horrible, Nathan.
I'm going for this really, really low bridge. The others are going through already. So that's the paddler.